how to embed video in WordPress. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you could import any video on your WordPress website, and it's a step-by-step guide and it's very simple. So guys, let's get started. So guys, before I begin, please consider subscribing because I make a lot of videos on WordPress tutorials, plugin reviews and much more. So guys, now let's get back to the video. So now, as you could see over here, this is my WordPress dashboard. Just click on edit. Let's say this is your sample post. Just click on edit. So now just take one of the videos from my website. Okay, this is from YouTube. All you have to do is just come here, press enter. You can just control V, or the next thing is just click over here on the plus sign. You could see YouTube, or you can just say video. Okay, and then paste the URL over here, insert the URL. If it's a YouTube video, you can just click on YouTube, paste it over here. If I just click on update and then just go on preview, so this is how it looks. So this is how you embed video on your WordPress website. And let's say you have a video which you want to, it's not on YouTube but which you want to upload. So the best thing which you could do is upload on YouTube, make it private, make the video private, which means only it can be viewed on your website. It can't be viewed on YouTube, and post it on your WordPress website. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and if you would like to learn about how you could drive more traffic to your website, I've created a free crash course on how you can double your traffic. The link is down below. Go and check it out. And Yavar Khan signing off.